How to set up an alternate Face ID on iPhone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this Guide Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can set up your second Face ID on iPhone with iOS 26. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to set up an alternate Face ID, simply go to open up the settings app from your iPhone. And from the settings homepage, is just to go and scroll down a little bit and go and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now once you're here inside this one, enter your phone passcode here. And now once you're here inside the Face ID and passcode, just to scroll down, you'll get to see I already set it up a Face ID. And if you want to set an alternate Face ID, you'll get to see the option set up an alternate appearance. It's just to go and tap on this and go and tap on get started and scan your face like this. And once you do that, your alternate Face ID has been set it up, and you can easily unlock your iPhone with the second face. And this is how you can set an alternate Face ID on iPhone with iOS 26. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.